I feel like I really didn't believe you that was gonna.
Have you ever seen the Pro hair ties before?
No.
No? Not even online, ads, nothing? Okay, awesome. What kind of hair ties do you use right now? Or?
I normally use scrunchies because any other type of hair tie, even like the spiral ones that they say are good for curly hair, don't end up getting cut out.
Right. Yeah. Then just pull it off your wrist with the clasp in your hand. So it just like sits with the clasp on top. So we're just gonna wrap it twice. There you go.
Perfect.
How does that feel?
Good.
Cool. Well, then let's go ahead and pop it out. So just go ahead and pinch it until you find that piece of plastic. And then just let us know what you think.
I feel like I really didn't believe you that was gonna.
Just fall out.
No, because I put it in there. I was like, oh yeah, it's stuck. No, that's awesome.
Cool. So would you recommend
Yes.
people with curly hair
Yeah,
to try them?
I would. That's awesome.
Okay, cool.